All right, let's go ahead now and talk about number 3 on our review packet. So we're going to convert each set of these polar coordinates to rectangular coordinates, and we're not going to use our calculator to do this. So for the first one, we have 2, 45 degrees. And so all we have to do in this case is know what r is and know what theta is. And we're going to plug them right into those two formulas, x equals r cos theta and y equals r sine theta. So if r is 2, I plug in 2. For the x value, I use cosine of 45. Cosine of 45 is root 2 over 2. So I multiply 2 times root 2 over 2, which just basically cancels here and here. So I'm just left with root 2. Same thing for sine, except for sine of 45, actually in this case, they're the same thing. So 2 times root 2 over 2 is going to be root 2, and my point is just root 2 comma root 2. For the next one, negative 6 comma 2 pi over 3, again, r is negative 6, theta is 2 pi over 3. So since 2 pi over 3 is in the second quadrant, I know that cosine is negative and sine is positive. So when I evaluate cosine of 2 pi over 3, I get negative 1/2. So negative 6 times negative 1/2 is positive 3. Sine of 2 pi over 3 on a unit circle is root 3 over 2. So negative 6 times root 3 over 2 will give you negative 3 root 3. So your point is 3 comma negative 3 root 3. For the last one, again, my r value in this case is 5. My theta value is 330 degrees. 330 is in the fourth quadrant, so therefore cosine is positive and sine is negative. So when I evaluate cosine of 330, I get root 3 over 2. And when I evaluate sine of 330, I get negative 1/2. So then simplifying both of those expressions gives me 5 root 3 over 2, comma negative 5 over 2.